One of the hardest lessons I've ever learned. The people that you hurt do not owe you forgiveness. I wish somebody had told me that years ago. Because when I finally got sober, when I finally started working on myself, when I finally looked in the mirror, admitted that I was the problem, I thought the ending was simple. I thought if I changed, everything would just go back to normal. Nothing could be further than the truth. It's not how life works. You can lose the weight, you can get healthy, you can quit drinking, you can go to therapy, you can get coaching, you can apologize 1,000,000 times, you can make amends, spend years becoming the person you always wanted to be, but some of the people that you hurt are not coming back. Some of your kids are not going to trust you. Some of your friends are never going to answer the phone again. Some business partners are done. Some ex-spouses will never see you larger than a piece of crap. Sorry. It's so painful, and as painful as that is, that's their right. They have every right to do that. Forgiveness is a gift. They don't owe you that debt. It's not a debt. Mistake that most of us make is that you think if you suffer enough and you work hard enough or you change enough, you're guaranteed a relationship back. Sadly, we're not. Your work isn't a transaction. The work is for you and you alone. You apologize to them for you. The growth, you. Healing is for you. And eventually, you reach a place where you can honestly say, I did the best I could with who I was back then. And today, I've done the work. I tried to make it right. And once you've done that, the rest is out of your hands. It's the best you can do. Can't force forgiveness, for goodness sakes. You can't force a reconciliation. You can't force somebody to trust you again. All you can do is become the kind of person who does deserve their trust and let them decide. That's when you've become fully mature, when you've become fully accountable. And that's freedom, your freedom for you, that you earned for you. The moment you stop trying to control their decisions, you finally get your life back. Once you do that, you control your future. If you're starting over like me, please type I'm in so I know you're doing it with me. Hit the follow button so I can see you. Most people don't need more information. They need some accountability. If you're serious about changing and starting over your life, your relationships, your finances, your mindset, hit me with a DM here on TikTok. I'd love to speak with you about what I can do for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.